Many parents are teaching their children to write their name at a young age. The best time for this is usually around the age of 2 or 3 years old, but it is never too late to start. Hello, rising parents. My name is Edna.
And I'm Tim.
If you are looking for insightful parenting tips and tricks, you are in the right place. As some of you may already know, Tim and I have worked professionally with children and their families for over 20 years, and we love sharing our journey and experience with viewers like you.
In this video, we will share 3 easy steps to teach your toddler to write their name. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Please help support this YouTube channel by subscribing and liking this video. This channel is an official fundraiser for selflessoutreach.org. We provide free food and basic living supplies to the underserved. All purchases from the Amazon links in this video description help support Selfless Outreach and the essential work we do.
How to teach your toddler to write their name. For many toddlers, it is not until around the age of 3 that they will begin to think about writing. As your child learns to read and begins recognizing letters, he or she may be eager to put pencil to paper and let the scribbles show that they are writing something. However, you can't just hand them a sheet of paper and expect them to create their own writing. This is a good time to start teaching your toddler to write their name. The sooner you start teaching your toddler to write their name, the sooner they will be able to write it naturally.
In this video, we will share 3 simple steps to help you teach your child to write their name. 1. Teach them the letters of their name in order. This is a good way to start as it helps your child associate letters with specific sounds. Some toddlers associate the sound of the letter with the picture of the letter. Play letter recognition games with your child. They will start to recognize which letter goes with which sound. Toddlers who are ready for letter recognition should have their letters displayed around their room. Also, let them watch you write letters. This will help your child develop their writing skills.
A helpful tool to use are these educational fridge magnets from Amazon. They can go on the fridge where your child can practice spelling their name every day. I will put the Amazon link to them in this video description below. 2. Help them form letters on paper. Start the process before they're 3 years old. Allow them to play with blocks or crayons or something that they can pretend that they are writing on. Teach them how to hold a pencil and how to form letters. You can get a large pad of paper and scribble something on it. Write your child's name on there first. They will be able to practice forming the letters themselves.
You can place it on a high shelf in their room and encourage them to look at it often. Once they learn some basic letters, begin writing them on paper as soon as possible, but not too early. Also, let them have access to paper and pencils once they can hold them properly, though I don't recommend letting your child use colored pencils or crayons until you see that they are actually competent with them. 3. Practice makes perfect. It is common knowledge that children learn to write their name within a matter of months. Start at a young age and continue to encourage your child to practice writing their name. Teach your child to write their name once a week.
This is a great way to practice writing in their unique style. Soon they will be able to spell their name correctly and it will help them learn about their own handwriting. This is important so that your child does not forget how to write it. This way the habit will be cemented in your child's mind. Your child will write their name once it is learned in memory. These practice books from Amazon are extremely helpful for your child's writing motor skills. I will put the Amazon link to them in this video description below. So, there you have it. This concludes how to teach your toddler to write their name. It is important that they learn how to write their name, just like we did when we were kids.
However, if your child is still not able to write their name at a young age, then you may need to give some extra attention to teaching them this skill. Not all children are born with an innate ability to write their name. There are many factors that go into developing a child's ability to write her or his name. The main thing about teaching your toddler how to write their names is that it should be gradual and easy for them. They don't have to master every aspect of it right away. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and goodbye for now.
Please help support this YouTube channel by subscribing and liking this video. This channel is an official fundraiser for selflessoutreach.org. We provide free food and basic living supplies to the underserved. All purchases from the Amazon links in this video description help support Selfless Outreach and the essential work we do.